Hi, this is Caroline Burke, and we will be talking about why you should choose Dunkin' Donuts if you are starting your own franchise. First off, Dunkin' Donuts is a company based in Quincy, Massachusetts, that started there in 1950, and it entails baked goods and coffee. It had its first franchise in 1955 in Worcester, Massachusetts, and according to the brand Keys Customer Loyalty Index, it is number one in customer loyalty. So those who go to Dunkin' stick to Dunkin' rather than trying to diverge from other brands. Also, was number one in brand strength, according to Entrepreneur Magazine Franchise 500. So it is obviously has very strong customer base, and it is very recognizable. So a reason why people might choose Dunkin' to create for a franchise is that coffee is the second largest commodity in the world behind oil. So there's always going to be a want for it wherever you are. Also, there's an extensive franchising support professionals in the Dunkin' um, headquarters. So there's a good amount of infrastructure to try and support you and your franchise in order to make it successful. Additionally, Dunkin' collaborates with big name brands like Coca-Cola, JetBlue, Smuckers, Keurig, Grubhub, and DoorDash in order to help supplement their brand and give it more customers. Also, like we talked about in the last slide, there's a very large brand recognition with Dunkin'. And since it is based in Massachusetts, it's a very East Coast centric and Midwest centric brand. So there is a lot of available market out west and a lot of areas that do not have a saturated amount of Dunkin' Donuts around it. So there's available areas there to set up your own franchise. So the startup fees and costs for getting a Dunkin' franchise is the initial investment is $199,700 between starting off, and then $1,688,200. And the net worth requirement is $2,500,000 and $500,000. The franchise fee is $40,000 to $90,000, and the ongoing royalty fee is 5.9%, and ad royalty is 2 to 6%. So there's a few ways that you can finance your franchise. Dunkin' does not have a specific financing structure where they're helping people get loans, but they do have preferred lenders who will work with potential franchisees to help get their franchises off the ground. Additionally, you can get a small bank loan small business association loan to help you start your own franchise, or you can try and get a bank loan. So, like I talked about in the previous slide, there are a few ways that Dunkin' tries to help their potential franchisees get the franchises off the ground, and that includes on the support team, there are a few people and departments that can help the franchisee, such as franchising executive, development manager, construction manager, training manager, field marketing manager, and operations manager. Additionally, there is marketing and branding that Dunkin' helps with their franchising partners, and they receive benefits of a multi-million-dollar advertising fund. Also, Dunkin' helps each franchisee with the technology that they use at their stores, such as mobile apps, virtual gift cards, and being able to locate Dunkin' Donuts stores and view menu items from their phone. Also, there is an advisory council that provides a forum for feedback from all the franchisees in order to better improve the experience and system to help stores get lifted off the ground. So the entrepreneur characteristics that I think would be best suited for those wanting to start a franchise would to be energetic, because obviously it's going to take a lot of work getting set up and getting everything ready from the franchise. Also to be self-reliant, even though these companies have lots of support, especially Dunkin Donuts, you still have to be a self-motivator, self-reliant, get your loans, get your employees, and sort of start the business off from that. And also be confident and have a vision. These To be an entrepreneur and a franchisee, you should know yourself and think that you are able to accomplish the goal that you've set in mind.